In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change card colors in Trello. If you're someone who loves organizing projects or tasks visually, Trello is a fantastic tool, and customizing card colors can really help in creating a more efficient workflow. So, to get started, first, open your Trello board and locate the card you want to modify. This is the card for which you want to change the color. Once you've found the specific card, go ahead and click on it. A larger view of the card, often called the card back, will open up. This view gives you access to more detailed features, allowing for greater customization and functionality in your task organization. Now, look towards the top right corner of this detailed card view. You'll notice there's an image icon situated there. This icon links to the card cover feature, which is key to changing the color of your card. Click on this image icon, and it will reveal a palette of color options. From this point, you're able to choose a color that resonates best with your project or personal preference. Simply select the color that appeals to you from the array of options available. The selection process is straightforward and designed to be intuitive, offering you a wide range of hues to pick from, whether you prefer something vibrant, subtle, or entirely unique. But that's not all. Trello also allows you to decide just how much of the card this new color will cover. Here, you have two options: a full cover or just an upper portion of the card. If you opt for the full cover, the entire front of the card will change to the color you selected, which can be quite eye-catching and useful for categorizing tasks at a glance. On the other hand, if you choose the upper portion option, only the top section of the card will adopt the new color. This might be a preferable choice if you want to maintain some of the card's original space for text visibility and clarity. And that's all there is to it. In a few simple steps, you've changed the appearance of your Trello card, making it just a little bit more personal and functional. Feel free to play around with different colors and cover sizes to find what works best for your needs. Changing card colors is a great way to visually enhance your Trello board and help you stay organized with style. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to experiment with different settings to optimize your Trello experience. Stay organized, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.